Okay, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna see how does AWS actually charges. Okay, so basically it charges on the basis of three things. First thing is compute, the computational power you need. For example, if you need a 32 gigs of compute power, or 64-bit, 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, all right. The next thing is storage. How much storage do you need? For example, maybe 16 GB, 32 GB, 64, 1 TB, and so on. The more storage you want, the more prices it will be, right? This is same as the computational power. The more power you need, of course, you wanna pay the price of that. The third thing is data transfer. In data transfer, it actually means how far your data is traveling from the server. For example, if your server is sitting in India, you hosted your website in an Indian server, and it maybe some person sitting in USA want to access that. So your data have to transfer from this server to their server. So how far your data is transferring, that is the data transfer. So it charges on the basis of that as well. I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.